New Hampshire Downloadable Books has received a free package of thousands of digital magazines, compliments of our Overdrive vendor, that will remain in our collection until about July 2021. These magazines are very similar to our previous small collection of magazines, except for one very cool feature called Article View. Let's check out Article View on this copy of National Geographic History that I have checked out and downloaded to my iPhone. I'm going to open the magazine, and because of this really small formatting, it's difficult to read a full article on an iPhone. However, now there's a Read the Article button at the bottom of these new magazines. Look at how nicely this is rendered for a small screen. In order to get out of this particular article view, just tap or swipe downwards anywhere at the top of your screen. To go back to the collection or to your previously checked out items, tap once in the center of the screen and tap the back button. I hope you enjoy Article View in the new magazines.